Wellness for Life is brought to you by Perham Physical Therapy, Sanford Health Clinic and Same Day Surgery Center, Amy Lundberg, Fitness for the Soul, Gothenburg Chiropractic Clinic, Pelican Drug Health Mart, Mojave Ottawa Community Action Partnership.
Hi, my name is Dr. Nick Esala, and I am a primary care sports medicine physician here at Sanford in Detroit Lakes and also in Perham. I've been here in this clinic for about 2 years, and one of the things I do here in my clinic is a lot of pre-participation or sports physicals. So it's a very important part of adolescence as they start getting into junior high and high school age, making sure that they're safe to participate in their high school sporting activities. So the Minnesota State High School League has mandated forms that need to be completed every 3 years, stating that they are safe to participate in these types of activities. So it is one thing that we do here in the clinic, myself as well as a number of providers who are able to fill out these forms. So we do a physical exam in the clinic, making sure that there's no major medical issues that would preclude you from participating in sports. And there's also a health questionnaire that we have parents as well as the patient fill out, making sure that they are doing well, have no significant past or current medical issues that may preclude them from participating in sports. So it's a very good exam and good evaluation so that you're able to participate in these types of activities that make you safe. So we want to make sure that when you come into the clinic a few weeks before you start your activities, that you're safe to take part. So I always encourage my patients to fill out these health questionnaires in advance, making sure that you really go through each question. They have questions such as, have you sustained a concussion in the past? Have you ever been diagnosed with asthma? Have you had broken bones or joint issues in the past? So I encourage people to really sit down and answer these questions thoroughly so that we can evaluate them and make sure that everything is addressed prior to taking part in these sports. So these patients tend to come into our clinic, we go over the health questionnaire with them, and then we do our physical exam, which includes everything from checking your blood pressure to checking your vision, listening to your heart and lungs, and doing a musculoskeletal exam, looking for any joint issues or anything that may need to be addressed before you participate in these sports. So some of the things that we may find are if people have joint or musculoskeletal issues, say you recently pulled your hamstring or you've had issues with your knees on and off in the past. We can fully evaluate them and determine is there things that we should be doing to get you prepared for the season and to help manage it throughout the season there. Listening to the heart and lungs, we want to make sure that you're breathing well, you have no significant asthma that doesn't seem to be controlled, or if you have other issues that may preclude you from participating in these high-level activities. So we want to make sure have a good head-to-toe exam so that there's no major issues that may come up during the season. We like to be very proactive so that these don't become long-standing issues for you. I usually tell parents to have these done a few weeks before the season starts. One, if you have any issues that may need rehab or may need further evaluation, you can have that done before the season starts. And sometimes as you get close to the beginning of the season, it's sometimes tough to get in to see your provider. So I encourage parents to be very proactive and set up these appointments so that we can properly address them so that everyone's able to take part and be safe in your sporting activities. Sports are such an important part of child and adolescent life that we want to just make sure that you're taking part in them in a very safe manner. So feel free to set up an appointment to see us here in our clinic in Detroit Lakes or Perham, and we can make sure all of these are fully addressed.
Thank you for watching Wellness for Life, brought to you by Perham Physical Therapy, Sanford Health Clinic and Same Day Surgery Center, Amy Lundberg, Fitness for the Soul, Gothenburg Chiropractic Clinic, Pelican Drug Health Mart, Mojave Ottawa Community Action Partnership.